Ganap na rin today. Brunch, breakfast lunch. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Karon maglakaw ta mag-inasara solo flight ta karon kay wala tay. Yes. Patience is a virtue jud karon no. Dito ko sa Kapitolyo unya akong toyo wala na ano. I just got home na akong gilakaw nga makuha og ID wala na hatag so lagot ko gamay. Come home from today guys. So look at yung kalat-kalat ko dyan. Kalat. Ang daming kalat. Hindi pa natapos yung ano klaseng tao to. Ganito ang cellphone. sa Australia. Ganon siya, poste. Manok na labara. Tapos, yung mga tanim ko nabuhay. Yes! Garden tour. Kamuting kahoy. Ang akong tanglad or lemongrass nabuhay. Pero, yun na mamatay. Ano, kamuting kahoy. Yay! Pansin. What you want? What? Why wiggle your tail? What for? Hey, come back! Come back, little pakshi nga baho. Ow! 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 So everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Salam sa'yo ngayon. We're going somewhere with my baby love. Bless us, oh Lord. We're having a question and answer portion, darling. Okay? You answer? Answer my question, please. Otherwise, drive safely. I gotta get cranky.